irradiation and contamination. Imagine you have a radioactive isotope here and it gives out beta radiation and it goes through this first apple. Only the radiation goes through. The second example, we have a beta emitter on the apple or in the apple. On the apple, or you can inject it to the apple and it's in the apple. So that apple, we say, is now contaminated. Now let's have a proper differentiation here. Radiation occurs when an object is exposed to radiation from an external source. In contamination, it is on or in an object. Irradiation does not make the object radioactive. Contaminated object will remain radioactive. Radiation can be blocked with adequate shield. If you put lead here, in here, obviously, you can stop it. Radiation cannot be blocked once an object is contaminated. Irradiation ceases when the source is removed. You remove the source and it's not being irradiated anymore. However, it can be hard to fully decontaminate an object because even if an atom remains, it is still contaminated.